Hi there, I'm Brent with Dan's Heating and Cooling. I'm a master plumber. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about water heaters today. Here I have a 40-gallon natural gas water heater, thermostat gas valve. It controls the temperature of your water. It's adjustable on the front. All modern gas valves have a pilot safety. It's going to prevent the gas flow from continuing to flow if there's no longer a pilot. This one is done with a thermal pile. It produces a larger voltage than a thermocouple, and it's able to run the computer that now controls our new gas valves. Lighting this newer unit is very simple. Turn your control to pilot, press in on the red knob, and this has a piezo igniter, which is just creating a spark. After the pilot has been lit, a flashing light will come on and let you know that it's lit. You can then let off of your red dial and turn it to the setting that you require.